Hello, I don't know why, but I feel like talking to you. So let's talk about colors. Isn't nature wonderful? You get pinks, you get purples. Can you tell us purple? You get motorcycles when you're videoing. Then way over there, you have white. Way over here, you have white. Down there, you have some yellows and some pinks. White. Some purple. A different shade of purple now. This distinguish between shades. Yellow, pinks, orangey pinks. Well, no, this is completely orange. Yellow, pink, a rosy, pretty pink. But the thing is, and this is all about knowing you and your perceptions, how you perceive your world, how you perceive the people in your world, the things within your world, what you place importance on, what you feel is unimportant. All these things work to create who you are. Because when things are important to you, you react in certain ways. When things are unimportant to you, you behave in different ways. So, the way that we perceive our world directly influences who we are. It directly influences the type of person that we are. Go ahead and think about that as you reflect on the different colors in nature, in your world, in nature. Because that purple paint is something that man made. But those purple flowers from earlier, that's something, you don't need to be religious. We won't even talk about God, but that's something that was made in nature. Something that just grew from the ground.